Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Sorkar jelah ni kesengi ka artarik uno pra arajar arpo ha kejingya kendu jongki kalashim ya karai ban IT ha ki deputy commissioner jongki district prepare bakin ya slok bet kinong elam niam ha shwa ban Pynbeit ya ki kendon lani ki SOP knang ba kejing le niam Khrismas kan don kano kejing sha khanglan.
So we had a basic review of the COVID situation in the state, especially keeping in mind the festive season which has already begun and which will only pick up during the course of this month. So it is important that we come up with basic guidelines and, if necessary, protocols to ensure that people are safe, because we have a tendency that during festive seasons we do tend to let down our guards. So therefore, keeping that in mind, we have decided to have consultations extensively with different stakeholders. So the deputy commissioners will be asked to hold different meetings with different stakeholders to get their feedbacks, and after getting the feedback from them, within a few days' time, or maximum hopefully within a week's time, we'll be able to come up with some guidelines for this festive season. But I think in general, I would like to appeal through the media to all our citizens that Christmas time, of course, is a time where we all are in a festive mood. So I would urge that whatever we do, we should always keep the discipline and the safety aspects always there, and as usual maintain all the protocols that we have been maintaining for the past many months. Apart from that, there were certain activities in relation to certain sports which have been now permitted. So a lot of football matches have been taking place, so permissions for that have been taken. So certain games like football and one or two other outdoor and indoor games will be allowed. The list is not available with me right now, but it can be given to the political department. So certain games and certain sports are allowed. Apart from that, in general, we just reviewed also the number of cases, positive cases that are there in the state as of now, and we are seeing that the overall trend is coming down, and the number of positive cases is coming down, which is a good message. But I think it's important that we shouldn't let our guards down, and we should always ensure that we maintain the basic.